If you want to use a memory card on Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, then in that case, unfortunately, you will not be able to do so with the SIM tray. Over here, I have the SIM tray, and we can, of course, use two SIM cards at the same time, but unfortunately, it doesn't have a dedicated microSD card slot. The microSD card is pretty much as big as the SIM tray, so there is no way to actually use it directly on the phone. The only way to actually use the memory card is by using the memory card reader. Now in my case I have a pretty huge memory card reader with 3 slots, but you can also find a memory card reader that only has the microSD card port. So in this case, of course, the idea is that we insert the memory card into the memory card reader. Of course, the memory card reader should have USB-C cable, so that we can actually connect it to our phone and you can access the storage of your SD card like this. I know it is really inconvenient to use it on a daily basis. You don't really want to walk around with this thing connected to your phone, but in situations where you want to quickly transfer something from a memory card to the phone or the other way around, then of course this can be enough, at least for some people, I believe. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.